Hey guys! In today's video, let's look at how we can use VBA to disable keyboard input. First, we declare our sub, Disable Keyboard. Then, we are going to handle 4 separate groups of keys. The first are the lowercase letters. These are ASCII 97 to 122, and when one of these alphabet keys are pressed, it is treated as a blank key. Then we're going to follow the exact same approach for the capital letters. These are ASCII 65 to 90. Again, we're going to loop over all these ASCII characters and assign a blank input on key. The third group are the numbers 0 to 9. These are ASCII 48 to 57. The process is the same as we did above. Last but not least, we are going to disable some of the common keys, like Enter, Tab, Delete, and Backspace. Take note of how we specify these common keys with the curly brackets. Okay, so looks like we're done with the common keys and the entire sub now. We're going to need to make a sub that enables the keyboard. It is pretty much the same process as the Disable Keyboard sub, but instead of replacing the characters on key with a blank, on key the actual character or key gets passed. To speed things up, copy the code from the Disable Keyboard sub, everything in between the sub declaration, and paste it in the Enable Keyboard sub. I'll edit the comments for completeness. Then start deleting the comma and open and close quotation marks. Okay, we are done and ready to test the Disable Keyboard macro out. Okay, at the start the keyboard works. Let's run the Disable Keyboard macro. I'm pressing ASD again, but nothing appears. So far so good. Oh no, when I double-click the cell, my keyboard still works. Not to worry, I'll show you at the end how you can handle this with a Worksheet event. But so far so good. All the keys, including the common keys like Enter, are disabled while still preserving the mouse scrolling and clicking. I'm going to enable the keyboard again just to test it out. And it works great. Now let's use a Worksheet event to disable double-clicking and prevent the user from being able to click into a cell and use the keyboard that way. So, in the VBA editor, go to the worksheet that you want the keyboard to be disabled for. At the top left, instead of General, select Worksheet. Then on the right, select Before DoubleClick. You will see a sub automatically created to handle Before DoubleClick events on the worksheet. Within the Before DoubleClick sub, type cancel equals true. Let's test out the sub again. Okay, now the user can't double-click into the cell, and he can't type anything. The keyboard has been effectively disabled.